Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram post size. To know how to fix Instagram post size, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here like this. And when you will see this page, you will go down to full stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage like this here. And after that, in this page, you will click clear cache. Then, you will click clear cache. And then you will click clear data, as you will see here. Sorry for that. Clear cache and then clear data, so that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.